Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today guys will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford F-150 guys, that generation year 2015, 16, 17. If you guys have one of those, you need to find where the fuse for the battery junction box is located. This is the under the hood, the engine bay fuse box. You have a fuse in the BCM that controls that fuse box. Stay with us, we'll explain which fuse you need to check for that specifically, where to buy cheap fuses from, why it's important to test fuses and relays guys. That way you don't waste time and money. All that will be covered in this video today. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car that we'll get here at the garage, we'll try to make every single fuse video and show you where it's located. Why we do that? Because if you're in the middle of the road guys, in the middle of nowhere, and you need to find that fuse specifically, it will take you a shorter amount of time to just search for that video instead of looking for the manual in your glove box. And most of the times people lose their manuals. And if you don't know which fuse, let's say, to replace for ignition coils, fuel injectors, fuel pump, you may be just stuck in the middle of nowhere. So that's why we are making all these videos guys. We're constantly working here at the garage. We're taking things apart, as you can see. And if you want to check out guys, we have 3 channels that altogether have more than 1.1 million subscribers. Okay, we have all the mechanical work there. This channel that you're watching right now, we're going to list the fuse videos here, so we can save you guys time, money, and we can make it conveniently for you guys. So let's start on it now. So right here guys, we're going to demonstrate where the battery junction box fuse is located on a Ford F-150 2016 model. You guys have 2 different fuse boxes. The battery junction box is the fuse box that's located right behind the car battery. Right here, that's the cover. You can see this cover right here. And if you open that fuse box, you're going to see guys, you're going to see a layout like this one. And you can see here you have, let me zoom in. You guys have different fuses, relays that could be really expensive, hard to find. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can buy some replacement ones from at a good price and quick shipping. The fuse for the battery junction box or the engine bay fuse box is located in the cabin on your F-150 guys. So if you guys come in the footwell on the passenger side and you guys look at that kick panel here, remove that plastic on the side, and you're going to see a fuse box like this one. Now let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays, that way you don't waste time and money. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So guys, now right here, which fuse we need to check for that engine bay fuse box. We're going to come on the very left side right here, and next to the fuses you will see numbers, for instance 33, 4, 5, 6, 7. The fuse that we'll need to check is the very bottom fuse known as 37. That 15M fuse is the one that is for the battery junction box as well. So you need to check that fuse right there. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful to any of you needing help with that. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching and see you next time.